Hey there, welcome back. So today we will check out inner classes. Now inner classes, as the name suggests, we can create a class inside a class. Now imagine a real life situation, for example, a situation of a car. Car is a class and inside the car there is a yet another class, for example engine. And inside engine there are many more components. So this is kind of composition, and Java provides us a way how we can define this real life scenario using inner classes. Now inner classes are of multiple type. We will discuss about the multiple types in later down the line, but the most useful type is non-static inner classes, and this is what we're gonna check in today's video. For doing so, first of all, let's add in a new class in our project. The project is already added in our Eclipse, so I will navigate to new, add in a new class. The name I will give it as a shop. The package would be org.studyeasy, and this will also contain the main method. So here we go. Alright, so moving forward, we would be adding a yet another class by the name of door, and the package for this class would be org.studyeasy.shop. So in our shop there is a door, and we will add a functionality of locking the door and unlocking the door, and based on the functionality we will do some action. So here is our class door. Okay, then moving forward, we have this class by the name of door, and door has a lock. So let's create a lock variable. Now this lock needs to be a custom class, right? It is a custom variable, so we would be creating a class lock. Now note that lock class is a inner class. This is created inside the door class, so there is a catch. And inside the lock class we would be creating a boolean variable lock, and the value of this boolean variable could be true or false definitely, and we would be creating a constructor, and using this constructor only we can either assign the value of true or false. Moving forward, we would be also creating getters and setters for the lock variable, so that we can further down the line, later down the line, we can modify the variable value using setLock method, and isLock method would be used to gain the access to this variable lock. Alright, so now proceeding further inside our door class. Now inside our class door, we need to access lock in order to understand whether the shop is open or closed. So first of all, we would be creating a constructor for this class door, and we will initialize the lock variable first of all, so that there is a object of lock type with us first of all. So that's step 1. And as soon as we have this lock, by default we will set the value for lock as true. Now as the default value of this lock is true, this means that by default the door is locked, and this means the shop is closed. So we will be creating this method shop status, and inside this method we will decide based on status of lock whether the shop is closed or open. If the lock is locked, then we will simply display a very simple message. Message would be like shop is closed, please visit later. We would be again adding a else block, and inside the else block we will display some message as welcome, we are open, right? So this is cool. Alright, so let's open our shop.java file, and inside the shop.java file, let's create an object of door type. So we will type in door equals new door, which is pretty simple. And using this door object, we will try to access the method shop status, which is cool. Now let us execute our program, and the output is shop is closed, please visit again. Alright, now we would like to modify the value of lock, but we don't have a method to gain the access of object lock. Let's create a getter for lock property, and here is our getter method. Let's navigate to shop.java file once again, and let's call the getLock method. Using this getLock method, we can directly access the setLock method as well, and we will set the value of lock as false. But there is an issue. We will check the issue in a minute. Let us call the method shop status real quick. Now, if we hover upon this issue, it says change the visibility to public. We have changed the visibility of the class to public, and now the error is vanished, and we can click on run, and here is the output. Welcome, we are open. So we are successfully able to modify the value of lock. So this is amazing, and this was a quick demo and a quick explanation how inner classes work. There is definitely more to it, which we will see in our next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.